Now discussion on the 150th anniversary of the national song Vande Mataram. Honourable members, with hearts full of reverence and a profound sense of pride, we gather today to commemorate the 150th year of our national song Vande Mataram. More than a song, it is a very pulse of our nation, the unspoken prayer of countless mothers, the quiet hope breathed by the oppressed, and the unwavering courage of those who once dared to dream of freedom. Composed by Sriman Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay ji, at a time when our motherland was under the heavy yoke of colonial rule. This timeless composition soon became the collective heartbeat of millions yearning to breathe free. Beyond faith, language, and geography, it bound together the entire nation with one sacred sentiment, love for the motherland. For our countless freedom fighters, Vande Mataram was not merely a song, it was a final chant from their hearts as they walked fearlessly towards the gallows, their souls illuminated with the dream of an independent Bharat, where every citizen could live with dignity and pride. Their sacrifices still resonate in every soaring note of this sacred song, reminding us that freedom was not earned not by chance, but by unshakable resolve and boundless love for the nation. Freedom fighters across the country carried Vande Mataram into every household, every school, every struggle, and every Indian heart. Mahakavi Subramania Bharati, with pride and profound patriotism, with Gambhir, rendered a powerful poem. Ongi Valandador Kambam, அதன் உச்சியின் மேல் வந்தே மாதரம் என்றே பாங்கின் எழுதி திகழும் செய்ய பட்டொலி வீசி பறந்தது பாரீர். A lofty towering mast upon whose summit resounds Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram glowed with divine brilliance, their splendor sweeping across the world. Let us say Vande Mataram, let us bow to our motherland. Vande Mataram is a vow to our identity, a vow to our unity, a vow to our collective destiny. This is the spirit that sustained our freedom struggle, a courage, no empire, no oppression, and no fear could silence. As we celebrate 150 years of this immortal hymn, I bow with profound humility and gratitude to all the sons and daughters of Mother Bharat who gave their life for the freedom of Bharat. Their sacrifice is not merely a chapter in history, it is our eternal guiding light. As we commence this historic discussion, let us remember, unity is our strength, sacrifice is our path, Mother Bharat is our soul. Let us pledge today to serve with integrity, to stand together as one people, one nation, and to proclaim with pride, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. With these spirited thoughts, I now invite Honourable Minister Sriman Amit Shah ji to initiate the discussion.